live. I think I haven't gotten Siri bot yet. Why is there no Siri bot? Hello? Oh wait, I probably Siri bot probably disconnected. Fuck. Yeah, okay, that's probably what it is. Let's do that now. Siri bot. And Siri bot. Noise bot to your channel. This has changed. Authorize. Continue. Join again. Siri bot should still be. Hello? Okay. Join. So my mic seems quite quiet. Maybe up its volume a bit. Also, am I recording this audio? I am not capturing this audio at all. My mic seems really quiet. Test. 1, 2, 3. What if I just have it fully maxed out as normal? That works. If I move like this, does it still capture? I don't know if it captured my keyboard that loudly. Noise suppression filter. Just do this one. Let's go fix one. I do this. Okay, does seem a lot quieter now. Let's play the music. Play it for a sec and pause it again just to hear how loud it is. Honestly, the music's quite quiet. If I have this like so, let's put it there, and then I gotta play the music. I'm gonna talk while I play the music just so I can have them overlapping. Get too loud. I'm gonna keep that as is. I'm gonna load in Spotify because it's a bit too loud for me as well. Like so, perfect. There we go. That's all set up. Check this is all good. Yeah. What do we have? Okay. Let's actually figure out what the fuck we want to do today. Yes. Let's leave it smaller. Let's hide you. Let's try learning how to use this thing. He opens that. Yeah, just go with the default keyboards. The first thing I should get is probably a is live. Is that something I can get? Have a Twitch docs and Twitch API. Oh, yeah, play the music again. My music did not play. There we go. What did you What did you say? Okay. Go away. Live. We are looking for. Away, baby. Fell on you. I can't get away from you. That is true. I'm alone. Run away, baby. Exception endpoint. Get live stream. Get live channels. No, I wanna get live stream. Error. Huh. Access denied. Okay. Okay. Just wanna say, run away, baby. Yeah. Get away from chat. This is something I want. I want a shot bet. Send and receive messages. Run away, baby. Okay. Make Twitch API calls. See, sorry. We had a run. This might be a bit too loud, I don't know. Let's keep that there. Get away from alone. Using the send chat API. Run away, baby. We don't want to send chats, we want to receive chats. Here we go. Oh, cool. I want this. I want to subscribe to an event. Use webhooks to receive events. Request. Specify and add access token. Confirm if you user access token. User authentication. User must. Authentication. WebSockets to receive events. The request must specify. We have sockets, so I'm probably gonna use WebSockets. Okay, how do I use WebSockets? gate. Okay. Getting events using WebSockets. I have no idea how to use WebSockets. Probably gonna end up using the chatbot a bit just to get started with WebSockets. How do you even do? What would it be? It would be like uh, not a callback function. It's a function that gets triggered by listener functions. Handling or something like I say, it isn't built-in event handling. It's lovely have it. Ooh, wait. Lovely listener function. It's lovely have listener functions. Other functions. No. Sit down. And the keys now. Event. Let your guard down. Killer in the mirror. Killer in the killer. Killer in the mirror. Killer in the killer in the killer in the mirror. Some windows of what they've got. Let's gossip of the hats and the have-nots. For you. My shit. Bad. Now I know. No one I can trust. I used to hang the West. When the eyes closed. No, back to tears. Okay, I need to get a socket. Type in anything else. Okay. It's for bots though. Get your guard down. There, souse. Knock, 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 knock a motherfucker out. And okay, let's learn how to use sockets. Or is webhooks better? What's the difference? Follows triggers. Then text. Is there like, let's do this the simpler way first. Is there a way to get the number of send a chat message? Let's get user color. Join a chat. Let's see. Now higher degree. Okay. So I have to do a listener for the chat. Okay, let's do this one later then. Let's get the viewer count. Viewer count's probably going to be the easiest one. Reference, Twitch API, getting videos. I want getting viewers. Good time. MP3. Focus. Right, like me, bitch. I got overview. I swear I saw somehow there was a thing to get the number of viewers. Na, na, na. Yes, it's the marker from clip. How do we get stream info? It's a good thing I got it, but I got this wrong. Not viewer count. Does it get stream yet? Guess I just use. Okay, so I need to use a headers. Says that the same. Miss me. Making another ruler. Night. I'm getting 20% cooler. Can I have the headers? Control X. We're gonna have headers be separate because it's gonna be the same basically always. Let's go. Let's just use this. Your reaction. You getting 20% cooler. Viewer count. That's gonna go to 3. Right, and stream endpoint. Which API get stream? How do I? Where's the reference for that, please? I want to see what it is. Reference get channel info. That's channel. Get share chat. Something. Okay. Oh, miss me. I'm in a king or ruler. Mess up. Singular. Isn't there something where you can get the stream? Hey, let's see. Let me search for this slash. Get the stream key. Is that it? Stream tags. Stream markers. Get get the list of podcasts that the user follows that are currently streaming. Here we go. Get stream. This is what I want. I want to see what you output. Okay, does not seem like you did anything confidential. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so as we go to the streams. Go to streams. A sec. Sorry, my sister came into the room. Okay. Agents are repeating. So from this, it failed to fetch stream info. So from stream info, hello, how do I get stream? Connect. No, evil. Okay. And we get okay, viewer count. That is something we get from this. I don't think there's anything else we actually get from this that we're going to use now. No, doesn't look like there is. Okay. Um. And we want to grab. We do not need this. I'm gonna grab and one. This is gonna be, we want viewer count. Why can you just grab viewer count? User mine not keep me, for I am divine. Evil. No, tuna. Evil. Yeah, okay, so stream.view account, perfect. Now check what I mean to say. Okay, so this one will be for views are used for view botting, I believe, right? Every viewer, yes. Let's do view botting. View botting. Okay, now let's round something blue. Name the old. He's the new. S mods. Ni beloved brother of us. Nahas. Check that example. I just want a plain and something here. Surely there's just a blank joker. Like this copy. I don't know the format for the jokers. I guess this technically works. So I'm gonna do this mods dot yes. No. Do this. And one of these. Equals viewboarding. Get be symbolic. How do you do? I think name is one of the actual things. Config, not username. Viewers, 0. Does this need to use a name? No, it does not. See? Actually, I speed up an extra, I think. Extra equals this. That's correct. Okay, so this is the that's not what I want. What does it spell? I think this is gonna be uncommon. Common. Let's go common. cost equals 5. Are you mad? I don't have a comma. Unlock equals 3. Discovered equals false. Dun, 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 dun. Blueprint compatible, yes. Copy that in. Just a taste. What else? I just have the calculate function. Okay, so then for calculate equals a function that takes self or context no, not that end. Oh, put it at an end. And dun, 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 dun. Nope, not what I'm going to do. Go here's that looks good. And then we want to return return body. Body. We can have a message. I'm not sure what the message is gonna be. If it's even gonna be one. Malt. Malt. Not equals view account. No, come on a party. Lord. C dot malt. Oh, I have some ideas for something fun to add there, so I just add him real quick. Um, la, 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 la. Let's see if this works. I need to add localization as well. Isn't it? It shouldn't be text. It should be text, not description. Right? Name and text. It should also be. Is this right? Okay. They should all be lowercase. Someone else. same thing? Nope. Okay. Lift it up, la 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 la. Button. Pretty sure I need to add a key, don't I? Key. Pumpkin, love in a bottle, love in a bottle. Where did I? I need to clear out some of this. Lift it up, la 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 la. That was viewboarding, that was the one I needed. Low overloading, there you go. On viewboarding, localization. Key is viewboarding. And it's all 100 crowns. Love in a bottle, love in a bottle. It comes in a bottle. Nothing. Okay, let's see. Pretty sure this is also completely. Let me see. Yes. Smart wiki. Let me see the localization. Joker as a code localization. No, okay. Localization. No, localization. Punch him back. J underscore mod underscore Joker. I see. J underscore. Just the mod abbreviation. So it's gonna be EB underscore. There we go. This should work. Good for your health. Oh wait, I have balatro open. Oopsie. Can I? This might be more if it is just quickly relaunching. I changed a few things, I think. Still virus under my skin. I'm fine, I let you in. Yeah. The world, but they're poison the seas. Fuck. Okay. Triggers a nil value. Huh? Triggers a nil value, what? That's not how you make. That's not how you make a joker? Joker. Oh, it's a joker, not jokers. Not jokers, it's joker. Just do. Joker, not jokers. Fuck yourself. Launch please, thank you. So, place you and you and you and you. Okay, that seems to have worked. Mods, config, I am still linked. Options, no, collection, jokers. There is +1 joker. Perfect. Play over here. I reset, play, unlock all. Recording. I never added the text. I never added the text. Did the name at least work? It does not. localization file. It should be Joker name equals plotting space between these words. Double pound. No. Oh. Text should be. It should be one of these. And in here we have this. Should also be. That's definitely right. It's plus. How do you format this again? Is there a special way you format it? You do like, yeah. Here we go. Text formatting. Hashtags. And I need to do this. Nope. Capital C. Capital C. Color is going to be red. All caps, right? No, not caps. Red plus hashtag. Nope. Hashtag 1, hashtag malt for every viewer. Currently, oh, it's currently, let's do, no, plus, hashtag 2, hashtag malt. I think I should just space here, it's gonna look better. In here we should, I believe that clears it, right? Yes. 1,000 miles and look at these skies. Between the eyes, head right between the eyes. And what I say, your lightning in your eyes, see them running for their lives. It should be this. It should be one of these. Oh, do this, and this should be at the back side of this. Do Control S. If I now launch the game, now it should work, hopefully. You know, right between the eyes. The way that the more say, you know, right between your eyes. Nope. What made it fucky wucky? Maybe this language file isn't set up correctly. Good dance, never had a chance. Is name even something that's in the... I don't think this is even in here. This is just... This is a mistake. Right between the eyes. Right between the eyes. Also, it's just Joker, not Jokers. Something in your eyes, see you running. What their lives. Okay, view bottom. That's all good. Okay, this should be correctly formatted, I think. Okay, well, what is the problem? Talisman. Talisman, fucky? I don't even know I had it on. Mod manager. So I do. Turn that off. If it has a incompatibility, I'll fix it later, or I'll just add it as not compatible. So you're not a singer. Not a trigger. Got a table, expected a string. No, expected a table, got a string. Where did you expect a table? Just to keep you safe. Hello. Is my thing not working? I just saw there's a bunch of messages. Why have I not gotten any of my sounds? What the fuck? A streamer bar isn't connected. Fuck! I'm stupid. I've been getting chat messages and just haven't noticed because my thingy isn't running. Successfully connected. Okay, there we go. Now I should actually... I've been getting a bunch of messages and didn't realize. Hello, everyone. No shit, you're like, yeah, the fucking... To set up the fucking, like, the Twitch developer API made me add two-factor, which logged me out of everything. So I didn't just... I haven't... my chat has been fucking empty this whole fucking time. Oh my god. Whoops. Well, hello, everyone. We are trying to figure out what the fuck is wrong with this thing. I haven't made a Joker, so I don't actually know the format for the Joker. Based on quick Googling, this seems right. But clearly it isn't because it's crashing. Joker. We have the key alias, that'll come in later. Rarity, pools. Cost, blueprint, eternal. Like, I feel like something in the localization is fucked. Let's just see if I think it's all of these texts being strings when they should be I pair. I'm guessing I'm going to restart now that I've removed those and it's going to be fixed. I think that was the problem. Fuck. That was not the problem. Expected a table, got a string. Where is the fucking problem? Okay, init localization. It is a localization problem. Good to know. It's that last one, of course. Is it the last one? This one? What? According to this thing... Jokers. Let's see. Joker name. It's just name equals name. Giving it just one table. Eh? Let me format this a little more readably. So it's like actually see what's going on. Link sets. Just let's lock the hole inside my chest. Okay. Can't help you, I haven't done balatro modding. Text equals blank blank. Oh, they should be like separated like that. That's not what it shows in the docs, though. In the docs, it shows it as being like this. In the doc, it shows it as text. and then this. But you're planning on doing multiple boxes. Not multiple boxes, just multiple lines. Not worry at all. Just that too. I can't help taste it. I don't have balatro. You will have to give me. Oh no, the tasting it is what we're doing right now. The tasting is this is like an integration into Twitch itself. Oh, I can actually show you because the fucking thing crashes. Uh, basically, Twitch has like effect on the cards. Like the one I'm currently working on, view barring, uses the actual number of viewers I have on Twitch to give you the malt. So yeah, the number of viewer I currently have is the mall it is. So by tasting, I just mean interacting with stream, viewing, following, shit like that's gonna be tasting. Is it sea color red? Oh yeah, that definitely shouldn't be a quotation mark. I don't know if that would be the problem. Let's see though. I haven't done. I have one, not done balatro modding this year. It's been like several months, and two, I've never done jokers. I only did challenges. Oh, that was it! Yay! Okay. Like I was trying to say, it's connected to Twitch. So like the whole point of the bot is engagement bait, using Twitch's engagement to do shit. So we should hopefully see the Joker. Technically see it, it's just nil values. Okay. We're progress though. It doesn't crash. I should have set up a listener. I shouldn't need to crash. Inner chest. Understand mult equals value, huh? Function. So local var function is not present for the values. You can just return the mult equals value. Where is even this? Just return the mult equals value. Hmm? Are you talking about this? I'm confused. It'll do the message automatically. Return. Oh, you mean this message? I'm just having it temp because I plan on having the speed dynamic. Like if you're having low viewers, it'll like mock you, and if you're have like really high viewers, it'll like say that you're view botting and shit. So it's just temp because this is gonna later be replaced with an if function and checking view accounts. If that is what you're talking about. Maybe the color can be removed as well. Yeah, I guess it is like mult, so color should be automatic. Um, and what was the other thing? Also, not present for the values replace the nil in the description. Okay, so I need the local vars function. You say. Oh, then message extra mult. This is you are talking about the return for the calculation function. Or are you returning the? Are you talking about the other function you just mentioned? I should add. Because that is the calculation function. I don't have the other function you mentioned. Where the fuck is my dogs go? Oh, did I moved them here, didn't I? Yeah, I did. I'm stupid. You're lost in the parade. Joker. What did you say? It should work to return for the calc. Okay. Let's try that then. Gonna yoink your message. Let's see if that works. You launch. God, I'm tired. Clicking checkers. Nope, still nil. And cut the loading screen. How? That would be actually useful. Yeah, you need the local varchs function still. Okay, I'll see that. This example. I don't tabbed. That's not what I wanted to click. Let's open a new window. I want just a new tab. This example. Local function. XC. Probably extra mount. Yes. Okay, I see. So it should just be here. Can you fix it up here? So it should be what? Look underscore vars function. What is that? There you go. Okay. Self info cards. Yep. Love when IntelliSense actually does its fucking job. They should 10. Why are you dividing by 10? For now it's just 1 to 1. So this is, how do you do returning from multi-values though? Because we want, so this, I need to add an extra here for, we want the actual mult value. Mult equals 1. And again, the bottom of the pit. Can I, that, nope, that, no man. There we go. And this isn't quotes, right? Yep, that is right. Please don't do self-config unless you explicitly need it. So I shouldn't do this. Please don't do self-config unless you... Oh, you mean over here? Or like this? Cause the version functional. Wait, okay. Please do not self-config unless you explicitly need to. That will update automatically. Update the actual prototype object. Use card ability instead. Line 12. Line 12. Ah, I see. Yeah, bars. Yeah, yeah. This was the autocomplete that's like by AI, so it's shit. It should be bars equals this. Then card extra malt. There we go. So that should be the malt. And then same thing. Oh, just go. So there should be 1, 2. If, yeah, that should work. And then what was the other thing you said? Discover. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, okay. So this just watch. I don't think I have any chokers set up yet. Chokers. I was capitalized, right? No, it wasn't. Chokers slash. What is this one called? You botting. You botting dot lua. There we go. Now I should be able to just Control S. Now it's refreshed. Open jokers. Still nil. Okay, I might have to full restart that. Need to restart that. Okay. I'm still learning how I'm still learning how debug plus like a watchdog. I've never actually used it before. Best way. I should add a fucking build, not a build, like a run command in VS Code to just launch Steam so I can just like use the build hotkey. It'd be way easier than constantly switching apps. Just close. Yippee! Okay, it is 0 views though, which is because it is default. It's not actually running the get viewers. So, change card odds in your calculation functions to oh, this should be card. And instead of self, I should use card ability instead of self config. Okay, so I should use this instead. I'm missing the C. Okay. We still have a card. Oh, you mean I remove it fully from here? But like completely remove it like so. It just doesn't work though. Oh, I did like did I misspell it? No, that looks spelled correctly. Oh, what did it misspell? It's just the. Yeah, I just need to call it. Yeah, that was what I was about to set up. I need to just actually call it. Can it be in the return function or do I just do it first? I'm guessing I just do it first before I return. I just makes more sense. Should be able to just copy this as is, shouldn't I? Outside of return, yeah, that just makes more sense. Return that all 0. And I gotta quit. Install. One goof belly. Alt F5 for quick restart. Ooh, oh fuck! Wrong button. Alt F5 for quick restart. That is useful. I'll do that from now on. And you don't need to be open anymore. Not quit collection. Oh, failed to fetch stream info. Okay, cool. It's calling the function though. So now we're over to my Twitch code being shitty. What was it? Code error 401. What is a 401 error? I have not done anything with web-based, so this is also very big learning. Reference, I want to go to... What reference? Get streams. 401 unauthorized. What? Here is required. Specific app. Oh, does they need some specific? You don't. Requires the app owner token or the user token. We aren't using the headers. Headers using client ID. Yeah, we have both of those. Why are you rejecting? Example endpoint get user is not live now. The user if is live. So it should be get the streams. The streams with the headers from the tracker. It failed. It's unauthorized. Why? Maybe I just... Maybe my token failed? Let me reauthorize. Successful. Nope, 104. Okay. Huh. Um, why does this work, but that one doesn't? This did work. I did get the username. No, the username also fails. Is it because I moved it out of local into... Like, this was the only thing I changed. Oh, oops. Can you not... Fucking love VS Code sometimes. Go. Copy this. Paste it in here. Um, uh, this one is listenable. So watch Lua. Okay, I have it. Twitch.lua. I have tasted this one, and this one does work. Okay, let's re-auth, see if that works. Link Twitch account. Okay, that does work. Collection. I feel like that viewer count is not correct. I don't think I have 62,000 viewers. Huh. That feels a bit off. This is the get viewers. Let's quickly print stream info body. No, I'm gonna I save. I'm gonna reload. Verify you're getting the right value. Okay, guess I gotta restart. Ah, fuck! I forgot the keybind. What did you say the keybind was? Alt F5. I'm so used to clicking quit now. I didn't kill the PNG. Did I kill the PNG? Oh fuck! I killed the PNG. What? It's because I hide. I'm not supposed to hide the PNG. I'm just hiding the PNG kills the PNG. Options, trackers. Ah. Oh, do you need to re-auth every time? Okay, it just refuses to print the body. Maybe I have to parse it first. But it printed it the other time. I should have... Thing is, it should be printed in... Ah, okay, no, it just got... It's too... Ah, okay. It was too big for the other thing to get printed. Oh god, why is there so much shit in here? None of this is what I'm expecting. This one? Streams? This should be the public details. I'm pretty sure this doesn't have any of the private codes on it. Unless the fucking response thing in here is lying to me. Oh, I need to give it a user. Wait, what? User login arrow. I've not touched any sort of external API whilst developing my own mod. Yeah, that is fair, but the whole point of this mod is it is connected to Twitch. I have very weird, like the three mods I've made has been like a mod that creates a local server so that you can have a Twitch bot request the list of active mods. And the next mod I made was, I think it was like a challenge mod, but I think 20 different challenges in it. And some of them is like completely changing the core of the game. Like nope. Just like 1 in 4 chance of any action you take just not happening. But yeah, now I'm doing something even more crazy, connecting Twitch to balatro. I think the actual like ideas of Joker's gonna be, how do you control plus? How the fuck there you go, control. Ooh, that's way too. Yeah, I just realized I should probably zoom in so you guys can read a bit easier. Fuck off AI. Okay, that should hopefully be a bit more readable for chat. Um, these are the ideas for the viewer, for the Jokers. There's like stuff that generally interacts with things. Right now we're doing view boarding +1 mult for every viewer. Yeah. Um. Code styles of integration. What? Different code of styles. Purchase digital. Yeah, I'm incredibly I'm not only am I dyslexic, English is also my second language, so typos are very common. That looks like it says purchase, so I assumed it was right. Autocorrect wasn't yelling at me, so I assumed that was right. Let's fix that. What's the, you do this, no. Copy you, and we do this. There we go. Okay, so I need to give this specific user, I need to give, can I just use one? I'm, okay, I think I need to get my own UID though. So I'm gonna need to go to this one, get username, quickly add the, nope, I need to add a, what? But why is this thing so fucking worthless? Like I wanna, like your autocorrect is correct, there we go. There we go, save. What was the command? It was Alt F5, yeah. I'm gonna have to hide stream though, because this one I does know shows shit it shouldn't, so gonna see this for a hot second until I've gotten the info I need to get. Twitch account. There we go. Okay. Okay, so it's just called ID. Over here, let me just double check in the logs. ID, is that the UID? User ID. I'm guessing it's that. At least I'm having fun. Okay, so I think it's just data ID. Okay, close balatro just to make sure that's completely out of view. And then delete the print line. There we go. This is the wrong one. There we go. um, okay. in this one, I need to add a what would be the best way to do this? Username and ID. And then we return go. So does this return? I think I want to return a. Where's my return function? I do this just because I know how to handle these. Nope. On a circle on a sign. I need to go over here. Username. Box 1. There we go. The same thing, except we make this ID. Make you2. And we do add the ID to the code. Just move this out of the way, make sure that the auth didn't accidentally fill in the code file. It did not. Good. I've had times where the auth code gets filled in there. I did fix it, I'm pretty sure. ID code. So it shouldn't happen anymore, but yeah, just wanted to make sure. Okay. Handle the pressure. Matter if I was anybody else. Dad, I would have done. Bad that I'm not your braver son. Okay, so let's see. Now we wanna have the user ID in my get viewer count URL. We need to add. What do I need to add? Get user, get streams, user ID, and user ID. What's that? Should it be a question mark? No, what? Oh, it should be a question mark. Okay, so let's see, does this work? Double check, I did remove the print function on the ID, right? I did remove it, yes, okay. Nothing should get leaked. Well. Oh wait, I need to re-auth, right? I need to re-auth to save my ID. Mods, you, link account. Successfully saved. Collection, jacket. Yes. Is there anything sensitive in that, right? No, okay. I don't think there is. Hopefully there isn't. Hopefully that didn't leak anything. This is for twitch.lua. Nope. There we go. Now that's 2, because we have 2 viewers. Perfect! It works! You can see it's network based because every time it wants to calculate, it needs to make a web request. Maybe using multi-threading might be smart. Setting up a separate thread for this just so it's not so stuttery. No students until I've been trying to system processes my own. Yeah, it is just like when not multi-threading, like as what it's doing is it's making the web request. It's like, what it is? It's making the web request, and then it's waiting. This is halting the program until we get the respond. And that is a way to use multi-threading to, like, have this be sent. Yeah, this is all running in the main game thread. So it holds the main game thread until it. It's the same happens when I'm authorizing the account, because there's also run in the main thread. So it completely freezes the app until authorization is completed. I also ended up needing to add a 1 minute timeout, because sometimes the auth failed and it just nothing happened. You need to explain that for me. I went through that. I don't know how to do it. I know it's possible to do multi-threading. Like technically this is multi-threading. This adds a separate thread. And then I'm just like still freezing the application. Yeah, because over here, right? Yeah, thread channel. So technically I have this multi-threaded. Request async. That's basically what making it multi-thread does. Multi-threading is asyncing. Making it async is multi-threading it. So technically it is multi-threaded right now by, which I mean there is this server code, this code that is over here, from here, is ran on a separate thread. So this waits for the actual HTTP dot async. Does because this isn't the actual HTTP library, this is Steam mods one. So I don't know if there is actually HTTPS. Oh, is it? Okay. Oh, did I just open? What the fuck? That's weird. Okay. Should not click the links on OPS. I should copy them. Rougher. HTTP. Yeah, async request. Okay, there are async requests. What if we just replace the normal request with async? What happens? Currently we're doing request. Does this break it? Does it still work? Async request. And over here, async request. What? Oh, that's why. Okay. Legend Jokers. Oh. Callback is not a function. Oh, we need to give it a callback function then. I don't think we can use the async function because it needs a callback function, and this function expects a return immediately. Because this thing expects a additional function that it calls when it finishes, but this function can't end until we have this data. And I don't think there's definitely a way to do it. I'm just not smart enough to know what that way is. I need to get a lot better in the balatro code base before I'd be able to figure that out how. You can set the callback to be a function. Set the global variable, set the view counter. I guess, yeah. That would also fix the... That's actually a smarter way of doing it, because some of the other stuff I have... I like that idea, yeah. Okay, you'll have to explain to me how I use global values in here then. Yeah, using global values should work. Then how would I would have to set in here a global value, which I do not know how to do. What would the global value even be? Like, would it just be like under globals? Like, would you just set it? I make a function. That's not all what I want. Function. Mind that blueprint running some other jokers. Although triggers such requests, so you might need to offer such requests. Yeah. Else we might get throttle limited. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Let's first try to get this working. This would be what? Like a local. What do we call this? Is this the main file? No, this is not the main file. The main file is main file. I like having main files do basically fuck all. Oh, this was this. I like having the main files do basically fuck all. So the main file sets up the main class, creates like a global to have my current mod set up, and just loads the other files. Oh yeah, I do have a global variable, so we could put the views in here. Yeah, okay, so we can use that for the global values. So let's call this set global viewers count, and then we do engagement rate viewers count. Yeah, I know. So in here, we need to. Okay, I'm trying to think how we need to wait. What would the actual? We need to give async the callback function, but the function also needs probably needs the inputs for a callback needs uh, code body headers. What the hell does the code value contain? And then we grab. Oh, it's this code. I'm stupid. So then all of this, we just Control X, Control V. That function. Yeah. So this all goes in here instead of returning. We do this. Control X. Delete that. Do this. And when it fails, we just set viewers to 0. Fails, we just set this to 0. Instead of returning a value, you just set the global. The data is valid. Keep previous value. Yeah. So in here, get viewers. This thing does expect. No, I don't think this needs a return value. And then in here, instead of doing this, we just set it. Control X. We just call the function. Then in here, we do nope, engagement paint viewers or 0. This should work, shouldn't it? Just calling it. We just need to also do this in here. Let's just do this. Yeah, we need viewer count for this. Oh, let's call this. Well, we can just do that. I don't need to set up a whole local function for that. Okay, okay, what are you saying? Last viewers equals last viewers or 0 for invalid data types. We would put that one here. Or in this one. Maybe like fuck what under calculate. So in here. You have context only in calculate. Huh? So I suggest doing a call to Twitch. I have not a clue how I do context dot before. If context dot before, then end. Okay. If context dot before, then let's say remove. I'm guessing both of these, or just. Do we just have Twitch or keep this one outside? Before we give them all. So if context dot Joker main, then we return. Like this. Return mold value in. That looks all good. While we're being cooked, we're being cooked because it is currently 10 a.m. and 26 degrees Celsius. It is way too fucking hot. It is not 10 a.m. Sorry, 10 p.m. Like it is pitch black outside. 10 p.m. and it is 26 degrees. 26 is all right now, but it was earlier today. Was 20. I mean, it was 43 earlier today. It was 40 fucking 3 degrees earlier today. It was hell. Especially since I don't have an aircon in my room, so I just had fans. Ooh, also, I just saw. I'm pretty sure I now have. No, it's not you. Yeah, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, this is not right. I need to go on. Just a sec. I need to do this. There we go. Okay. Okay. This should work, right? Let's reload and see. Oh, didn't crash. That's good. Collection, jokers. Fuck. They did the call field request a nil value. Twitch Lua 169. Heh, 69. 169. Oh, wait. This should be. I don't think we have this. This should be async request. And over here, we add a comma. Enter the callback function. Should be set global viewers. Why are you squiggly? Undefined global. Should it? What? They should be in Twitch. That's what's mad. It should be in Twitch dot. Then we use Twitch dot. There we go. That's why it was PC. Now that we're actually using the async value, now it should actually work. of night. Light. Along, my brother. 404 in the. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we do need to fucking re-auth every time. What are we trying to do? We are. Oh no. Invalid request. 135. We are making a balatro mod that. How do I explain this? The balatro mod is integrated with Twitch itself. So, like the card we're working on right now, view barring. Where's my. It is. View barring +1 mult for every viewer. So, this is a mod that is directly integrated into Twitch itself. So there's like for every view, whenever someone follows, you get a random Joker. And I plan on seeing if I can make the Joker's display name be the name of the person that followed. If not, oh well. Like just simple things like this. Like the secret, I think is gonna be pretty fun. This one's gonna be fun. Just this small little mod that adds a few things for streamers. I'm gonna go over here. Why are you busy? What line is it? 130 something, wasn't it? Yeah, 130. Oh shit, very nice. Is it not? Is it lowercase request? Is that what I'm? It's lowercase request. There we go. Refresh. I need to figure out why it needs to be re-auth every time. That's annoying. Okay, that works. Good. Collection, jokers. 0. Ha! I don't think I have 0 views right now, do I? I do not. Oh! Oh, wait, it's async, yeah, so it's not immediate. So every time... Okay. That's good. That's nice. I like that. It was 0 because I forgot it's asynchronous now, so it doesn't instantly. Yeah, it works. I don't think it's right according to. Oh no, now it's 2. According to Twitch, I had 3 viewers. But I guess not. Yeah. Now I need to figure out why the hell does the auth. I don't like that I have to re-authenticate every time I launch. That is annoying. If I hold F5. Let's see if I do it again. Yeah, it's invalid. Failed to fetch stream. I don't think you should. You don't think I should add an animation? I think you mean I think you should add, because you just say you think I shouldn't. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add animation for every time it updates. Oh, you mean don't let it silently update? You know, it's gonna update silently. It's gonna update silently. It's gonna update. They're gonna update silently. This is what you're seeing over here. This is like developer. This is a developer console. This normal people, unless you have the developer mod installed, you won't see that. I need to. I don't know where my notepad's gonna open, and that's gonna have confidential shit in it. So we're going to just chatting for just a second until I have the notepad open. I want to go to config you. Yeah, I did open on the main screen. Super glad I changed it. Okay, now I can go back to this one. What I want to see is, does the auth code change when I do this? Mods, we link account. So auth code, I forgot. This only saves when you quit game, so it is DI. It does change. Okay. Hmm. Why does it need to change though? Why is the code I just got suddenly invalid when I relaunch the game? What part of relaunching is changing it? Because this is now invalid. It doesn't reset it to 0, does it? No. Huh. Ah, Kendrick, lovely. Why doesn't? Now, just throw it away. Why is it suddenly invalid? My signs. Let's see if I can see what Google says. Then a persistent one. Okay, how do I generate a persistent token? At this point, Prettier is required VS Code. Yeah, I have Prettier installed. I just forgot how to set it up, so it doesn't work. I don't know. And I did not give enough fucks to actually get it running. Like, I have it installed, but it's not configured, and I don't want to, like, spend the 2 seconds Googling how to configure it. Um... Hmm. When I get a token, I don't get, like, a temporary token, do I? And why would the token... Why would the token close? Like, end? Auth authorize? Slash token? I understand nothing, don't worry. I understand just as little as you do. I am still AJ. Oh, an amateur. Yeah, I am. I am. As much as I have coded, I would still say I'm an amateur, especially in Lua, a language I rarely use. Balatro modding a code base, like, I don't use that often. As well as this being network shit I have never done before. I don't know how to do network shit. So I am very... no clue. Do I add an expires in? Mine doesn't have expires though. How do I refresh token? Token. Oh wait. The client is the token. Okay. This is client secret. I don't have client secret. Is it because it's a public app? There's 30 days. Not like refreshing on monitored apps. In that case, I might just make the app force you to reconnect every time. That's so annoying. Why does it just stop working? What part of closing the app stops it from working? Oh my god, I know what it is. Oh, I'm so fucking stupid. I save the auth token, but I never. I save it, but I never load it. You fucking. No, that's not on Twitch. Load equals a function. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. I don't even need to refresh. This page refreshes very well. Oh my god, I can't believe. I am the dumbest motherfucker to ever have lived. No. Okay, it still doesn't work. Okay. Shit. I did save, right? Yeah, I did save. Oh, again. I made a load function, but I'm never fucking calling it. My main file. After the Twitch file loads, I need to go twitch.load. I am such a smart motherfucker. Hey, banana happy face. Everything's okay. Banana happy face. I am so good at this. I'm so smart. Collection Joker. Yay! It works. Oh, I lost a viewer. Calling myself stupid made me drop a viewer. But yeah, it works now. Okay, so I did correctly save the fucking token. I just never loaded. Yeah, -1 malt. I like this. This is fun. Put on a happy face. Everything's okay. I have to do this to refresh it. Try it in game? Sure. Question is, do I roll the shops until I get it? Or do I just spawn it in? That is the real question. Because if I roll the shops, I have to actually think, which I don't want to do because I haven't played balatro in so long. Holy shit, that's a good start. Now spawn in. Okay. How do you spawn in again? You need to get to run info options, collection, chokers. What's it? F3. One, two. What the? Oh, there we go. Okay. Yes, I had to say my name. Let's see the peak that is this. Actually, we should taste it in game machine so it doesn't crash. Lamau. That's amazing. Dead man. Never. Um, the mouse temporary. What it's gonna do is it works. I can play this. What it's gonna do is it has little. Oh, not here. No, not here. You botting here. At the moment, the message is just Lamau, but what I plan on doing is I plan on having this basically be an if thing. This basically be an if statement, and the I just realized this being async might be a bit annoying, but it's fine. This is going to be if statement, and it's going to be like it laughs at you if your viewers are low, and it's going to like call you botting if your viewers are high. So it's just going to be like suddenly high or so like so small, so like insignificant, and all of a sudden, oh wow, okay, so you're like paying for viewers now, huh? Like that's basically the idea. So the mouse is the temporary message is going to be like something more complex at some other point. But this card works. So I think I just go to the next one, I guess. There's my ideas over here. I think Cheddar was going to be... Nope. Rebotting. I think that was going to be the easiest one. Long stream going to be just as easy, I think. You're gonna fuck off and see if it updates to 0. And you actually open the balatro app again then. This hanging out our house. Chanting. And she from Queen. Well, it was 0, and now it's 1. Is it about love? Yeah, Twitch isn't dropping a 0, so it's not gonna. What am I doing? I want to go here. This one is gonna need this one. It's gonna be a fun one though. -1 every minute of no chat. This one's gonna need chatter. Long stream. I can do long stream, I think. Long stream. Okay. Yes. Oh, well, just key equals long stream. Okay, this is gonna be long stream does what again? +1 chip for every minute. That's gonna be chip Wasting time. King Wi-Fi. What happened? Twitch never dropped to below 1 viewer, so it just like always stayed on 1. It just always stayed on 1. Twitch never, some reason Twitch just decided I still have 1 viewer. Yeah. No, Twitch and viewing is super weird how inconsistent it is. We're doing a new one now. Long stream. For every minute I've been live, plus one chip. With your big brother. Oh. Okay, I need this thing. Perfect. This is gonna be... Nope. Times this value. Right? Yes, okay. JSON, not Lua. Yeah, it's JSON not Lua. It's just a JSON parser because Lua has never built in JSON parser, and Twitch responds in where's the example? Yeah, it responds in JSON data, so I need to decode it. So I just I just googled JSON.lua, downloaded the first one. So it's just the fucking open source, like as is licensed random ass fucking library. This is a useless file that doesn't need to exist. Um, I need to now go and do. Okay, I just want to quickly see. I don't think I'm actually multiplying it by the config value. I'm not multiplying it by the config value. The whole point is that this should be multiplied by this value. There we go. Shout out open source software. Gotta be my favorite. Yep. Fully favorite gender. Open source has gotta be the best gender. Open/source. um, and a secret that they keep like a slave. But not a preacher, and he'll never let it see you. Rarity 1, cost 5. I'll figure out costs and rarities some other time. Blueprint compatible? Yes. Eternal compatible? Yes. Yes, it's gonna be eternal. Anything else? I think that's it. I just calculate now, right? Yeah, calculate. Now it is calculate function to get no, that's not what we want. We want this to be Twitch dot not get viewers. Twitch dot what other functions do I have? Do I have a time? I don't think I have. No, I do not. Okay. His name is Fist before he spoke. Nope. Oops. I'm the devil that you forgot. Need a Twitch dot not get chatted. Twitch dot. There was a pop-up there. Get stream time. Did I have get stream time? Oh, stream duration. That's what it was. I do have one. You're right. It's not. It's not. Oh, it's not set up yet, but I have the name. Get stream duration. Okay. Nice. Nice spot. I would have just made that function and did all that only to have a function already. Okay. We want... Oh, shit. I fucking hate this shit. That is so ass. Nope, okay, nope. Like, why is the autocomplete running away from me? Like, it's dead ass. I'm gonna convert it. Come on, please, thank you. I don't know what it's gonna be at the moment. I'll need to... Oh. Mason. I need to put this first. Let's watch it. This. There we go. I'm not sure if it's gonna be minutes, seconds, milliseconds, what it's gonna be, like the fucking... What's that other one? Time lapsed, since the one motherfucker decided this is the start of time. I'll need to see what Twitch returns, then I'll do the conversion. Okay, is it in stream itself? Can I get from this thing? Viewer count, game ID. We have a started at. No way. I need to figure out what the actual like thing I need to get. We do have a started at. Is there a different one that just gets the duration? I just bought my mic. Twitch API. It's stream. It's stream uptime. That should probably give me what I'm looking for. And streams uptime. We're getting stream info. Grabbing the startup. Okay, so there isn't a direct one. I just need to calculate it. Okay, that's annoying. Huh. No, no, no. No, no, you ready? Step, two step, three step, four. Step right up, get on the floor. I can have a good time. In that case, this can be set up on load. Business of the humankind. Since the start time won't change that often, we just need to calculate it with time.now. So we just need to do a Twitch dot start. We should have a start time. Let's just make it nil and a. That's Twitch. Why am I typing so shit? Holy moly. Twitch dot set start time function. This should be the same as the first one, right? Get this one. Up, it's morning time. Are you ready? Two step, three step, four. We want you delete this, paste that shit in. Two step, three step, four. And just do. Oh. Push stream time equals nil. Over here, this is gonna be Twitch.stream time equals. Let's actually get the right thing over here. There should be there should be the same link as this one. Grab all of that shit. Paste that in. Just get start time. Get function. Field body data. Shouldn't be user. This is stream. Stream. It is start time, right? Did the AI smart or is the AI being stupid as always? Not you. This one. No, this one. Started at. Yes, it did. Perfect. Voice. You can save and say my name. I've made without nothing from. Stream not started at. Ask you again. Is it just the string? It looks like it's just the string. I'm gonna assume it's just the string. Let me stream started at oh, I'm already printing it. Okay, in stream duration, we just need to get no, if not stream time, then we do Twitch dot dynamic it. Nope. I'll do that in a sec. Let me just double check. You don't code with the full terminal window. Oh, you mean this? I usually do, yeah. I just forget. Like I like you. Well, technically, I usually code with it looking like this. That's a bit too unreadable on stream, so I zoom it in a bit. Yeah, I get with stream might be better to hide this. What the fuck was I doing? Right, I was over here. And do the exact same thing if then we return 0. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, because that's the AI being AI. Just return 0, just to test and make sure this works. This might get pissy because the actual thing in here isn't. This isn't really set up, is it? This is basically set up. Time. There should be times. Chips. And, yes, perfect. And then I need to go to view. What am I doing? Long stream. Slash. This should be brackets. And then this. Just do. Nope. C. Open. Blue. +1 chips for every min of stream duration. There should actually be a variable as well to have it be able to have for the auto balance up around there later. Currently, I need to format this better. This is fucking unreadable. I call dead apps. Okay, another freight train. Feels like thunder. Every minute of stream duration. Currently plus whatever chips. Chips. Okay. Alt F5. Let's see what part of the thing I just did makes it crash. Which file is the file that's gonna make it crash? Holy shit, it didn't crash. We do have two now. I should have it be unlocked while I'm fucking programming. Project static, programming fanatic. Reporting long stream. Okay, that's good. And I'm printing. I'm not printing. Oh, I'm not calling it on the view. I need to actually run it to see. Updating the view, right? And I need to go to not run info options, collections, checkers, reporting. Which one was it? Is it one? It's not one. I can never remember the key to spawn shit in. Unlock discovered. Oh, there's a unlock. Ah, that's. I should use that instead of fucking resetting the profile. It's 3 to spawn in. Perfect. Collection, jokers, long stream. So on calculate, it should. Okay, and pop shit into thing. Perfect. We have the time from when it started. Okay. Perfect. And yeah, that is human too. Okay, let's see if this shit the AI made works. Cannot assign. No idea what that means. Let's just fucking test it and see if the AI did a smart or if I'm gonna have to Google this. Because I don't know how to do this. Hello? Why? You know what? Let's just normal restart. Because this shouldn't. That shouldn't get called on load, right? Yeah, okay, I was about to say. If it's gonna crash, it's gonna crash mid-game. Yeah, that's where it should crash. Expected table got string. Bad argument time. 259, bad argument. Argument number 1. 259, argument number 1. This is a bad argument. Hmm. How would you... What was the format? Did I end up copying the format? I don't think I copied the format. Fuck. Should print first though, right? Did it print before it crashed? Doesn't look like it did. Okay. I want to see the format of the thing again so that I can Google the format. Let's actually quickly add long stream. And show you when you found out your dad is human too. Nope, not in there. What I lied. You're right. I really need to set up prettier because this is hell. I need to know. Now it should work when I hover over the card. It's a bit easier to test. To test. How long have I been live? Where? I've been live for 2 hours. Damn. Goes the door. method is assigned to bubblegum. Teach me, let not delete me. If they have them, let them like I do. Twice, let them drinks. Looks fine. Looking out night time. Is it fine? Good night then, I died. I guess I need to do this. What do I do? I need to go to stream to Twitch. Time duration. This. Why doesn't that work? Why can't I tab out multiple lines? Twitch.start time. Starting time. Control/U. Timetable. Control/. Does this actually work? I don't know. Let's use the actual OS. Let's just use the actual function for this. There we go. I don't know if the minus will just actually work. So now if I slash watch Twitch, I should be able to just save you. Collection. Fuck, okay. The indexing a null value. How did, huh? How are you indexing a null value? We have a null check. And we set time, and if it's still not. We have a null check, and if it's still null after the null check, we just return. Or how are you doing? What the fuck? Line 259. Line 225. Oh, I get just format it. 259 here. That's a null check. How are we making a null check on a value we know isn't null? What? How? What? It's manually check if it's null. Equals no. No command. Come on. And the damned. Is Coalfield start time is 3. So it's not a null anymore, at least. Oh wait, it shouldn't be start time, it should be match start time. Should have that should work. Reload. Okay. Young boy. Collection jokers. Is that correct? Is the real question. Also, does it update? That looks to be seconds, not minutes. 70 divide by 60. Let's just double check it works. Let's do 2 hours, 21 minutes. 2 hours, 21 min 2 sec. That's not sec. Sec. About 44,000. That's not close. Hmm. It's not minutes. Yeah, let's just 7 minutes. Let's just. I didn't need to quit. Divided by 60. I shouldn't have quit the game. What am I doing? I have a fucking thing for this. Huh. Oh wait, this is 12 hours, not 2 hours. No wonder it's not right. The equivalent of 141. Okay. That's still not right. Yeah. That's not close to being right. It's off by like. How much is it off by? It's an hour. Let's go back to the seconds. Watchdog Twitch. No, no, they didn't like that. They did not like that. Hello? Does not like watchdogging that one. Okay. Okay, 225. 225. Test one. Bulletin, 15,000. Why is it so much higher? Wait, is that double? What happens if I have it? Man. Uh-oh. No, no, welcome around here. What? Will not be on this field. Uh-oh. 7,900. That's so close, but that's not right. Oh no, it is currently seconds. This is seconds of how long I've been streaming. At the close, the correct value should be closer to they have to 8,700. Oh, it just hit 8,000. 1, 2. It's definitely counting up, right? But the time isn't correct. Hmm. Like, it's super close to being the correct value. It's just not. If I divide by... I divide by 60 to get it into minutes. 304 minutes. Like, that's super close to the actual value. Min. The actual value is how much? 145. It's 10 minutes off. Like 10, 11 minutes off. Yes, 256 right now. 226. So we are... Yeah, we are currently 12 minutes off. I wonder if that's just... No, but that's stream time. Because it said I went live at 18:43. Yeah, it should be 147, yeah. So I went live at 18:47. I feel like this is a Twitch this time claims I went live 4 hours ago. That's why it's not working. That's why it's almost double. So this should work. The problem is the lifetime Twitch is giving out isn't correct. Unless it's regional. What is my UTC offset? That might be UTC 0. Because I'm either plus... Time is time, but time is regional. And it would be smart if your API is based on UTC 0. Hybrid is being... it's actually super smart. What if, like, what time should Twitch respond with? Okay, so the API is being called in America, so it should respond with America time, even though the client is calling it in Japan. Like, the time zones would be way different. By setting it to be BTC 0 as the time, no matter where you call it from, you know you're getting the same time. Yeah, it's not local, but it is standardized. So if I get Lua next time, Can just return the stream length? No, it doesn't look like there is a function to return the stream length. No operation didn't go down. That's what we're doing right now. The problem is the time that the stream, that's the start time. The start time for the stream is UTC 0, where my time is UTC +2, whatever it is. That is my current problem. I need to remove the UTC offset from my time. So I just need to figure out how I get time and date. Let's just see. There's almost definitely a way to do it. Uh, yeah, I'm just like quickly googling to see if there's a way to get the like in Lua get the global zero. In Lua. Time is local time. This. Okay, so if I do this, according to Google, that should be an error. Okay. Huh. Can I understand? Is this just the compiler being weird, or is that actually... Hello? Oh, did it crash again? I think it might have crashed. I can't tell if this is the compiler being weird, or if it's actually not a thing. It's like Google said that's what I should do. It might just not be a thing, though. Which anyway, anyway, I'm doing fine. Makes me good at lying. Like 155. That seems right. We've been live for 125, 135. So 35, 2 minutes. is, come on, 155, 150. Yes, it works. Okay, it was just the offset. Okay, this works. Plus one chip for every minute of stream duration. Let's test it in game. Let's also collection triggers. Let's also add you. Open the eyes. That's close to a straight. I think that's straight with window. Better pulling for a straight. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just clicking. That was stupid. Oh, oh well. We're winning anyways off this alone, I think. Oh, did that work? No, it did not. The number is correct. It doesn't give me the chips though. We don't need this message. Is chips not what we need to be? Okay, what? Oh yeah, it's accurate. The time works. It's just not adding the chips. The adding the chips should be the super easy part. Yes. I just need to figure out why my Steam isn't working. Malt equals malt. Example, is it only malt in this as well? Dun, 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 dun. Where's the info on calculate? References on calculate. It's it's chips, not chips. I need to reload for that to work. Inhale in consequence. Gonna eat a horse. Enjoy. Enjoy your horse. I hope it's tasty. Okay, now I should add the chips. Yes! It works. Okay. Let's do fix that starter. Let's have on launch. Where's launch? Here we are. Let's do on launch Twitch dot get start time. Just so the starter happens on launch. And we have fail safe if you haven't been live before starting. That's gonna stutter during launch, which nobody cares about. Didn't even. Yeah, now it's just chill. 4 viewers, what the fuck? That doesn't seem right. Is that right? Twitch doesn't say that right. Weird. Twitch and its views are so weird. Yeah, this Twitch stats thing says I have 4 views, but this one says I have 2 views. What the fuck? What does it say on here? Let me refresh my manager. What does it say then? Because this is 4 viewers. This one says 4 viewers. Now it says 4 viewers. Okay, so I have 4 viewers. Cool. Hello, everyone. We got the first 2 jokers in. View boarding and long stream. Which one should we add next? What is view boarding, long stream? Oh, fuck off. And ideas. Let's see, which one do we add next? Um, this one's gonna be hard. These ones probably gonna be once we figure out how to do this, because these all need these all need to be subscribed to an event. Same with this one. This is one. Same with this one. The great vote. This one can be made. We can make the vote. So we can make vote, subathon, and bitter, I think. I think those are the only ones we can make without having to tackle chatter. This one's going to be awfully hard to make, and I don't want to struggle with that tonight. Let's do the great vote. Oh, I can taste the great vote. Or I can also taste... Okay, so from this point on, I can't taste any of the things. Because I can't create votes, can I? Can I create polls? Slash poll. Nope. I can't, yeah, I can't create polls, so I can't test them. Hmm. It's gonna be hard to make a mod when I can't do taste half of the shit in it. Huh. Um, I don't know now. I can't. Fuck, I basically need to do chatter then. It's gonna be awful to try and make when I can't taste it. Hmm. Chatter it is. Okay. So how do I want to do this? We could have global using global variables could work. How would you do? How would you make context? I wonder, can you add a custom context? It's gonna be something dumb, but let's see if that's possible. Let's do chatter. Let's do this one next. Smods smods dot joker. Did I just no? Okay. Key chatter. Why is this thing so why is the autocomplete so shit? It's config next. Config. Don't want. Chat count 1. Chatter is chips, I believe. Then we want context times chips. Rarity, cost, unlocked, discovered, blueprint, eternal, calculate. Then I love you. Then a spiral. Haven't come through. Get the cycle. Your body on mine. You're the kind of fire and ice. Okay. You know what else? Fallen angel, got love in hell. It is easy, baby. I don't think there's a. Do I actually have a command for that? I don't think I have a chat count. Yeah, I don't. Start time, follower count, sub count, duration, start poll, end poll. Yeah, not a chat count, which makes sense because we're not gonna actually use that. Never no funds, nothing hell. You think, baby, they don't want else. Busy. Princess and fallen angel. Anything, baby. No, baby. We do have. Did I use? I have two constants. I just realized. I should probably use the Twitch one on view bottom. This should be twitch.viewers. Nope. Yeah, here we go. Twitch dot um how would this be handled? We're gonna need to have uh, I'm gonna do context for this one. Let's see if context is it's gonna add custom context is chat equals let's do car dot ability chat count plus one. Oh, oops. Nope. Context. I don't know how the context works at all, I just realized. And context equals this is such a dumb. That's no. How would I do this? I need to. I can't believe other contexts are there. Field implementation. Yeah. Oh, so it's okay. That's not what we want. Okay, let's go to the source code, I guess. Balatro. Open with code. And then search context. Gonna be all over the fucking place, but we want the file that creates it. Again, it's a back card game, maybe. And fit in context. And nowhere context is ever fucking defined, because of course it isn't. No fucking clue how context works. I don't think I can add a new context. Context or chat. Context or chat equals no. Does this work? Um, how would I test this? I need to like actually subscribe to the chat. Sub event. Fix on me. Right. No. Okay. Okay, so we want weaponized. What other context is there? Context of before find the feed core. Of edition. Oh, oops. It's something that like triggers incredibly often. Full hands, dangerous in the blues. At the nice balls after. Hmm. This is before calculating though. Right? Do I want something that even triggers that often? I need a way to actually hook into Twitch sub events. I don't. How do you use WebSockets? I don't know. I honestly have no idea how I would do this. Icarus, I have no idea how I would undo this. So, craft for me. Let me. Let's get clearly my commits. I do you. Ugh, let's just add everything. Just add everything. Perfect. What we add? We added chapter, long string, and you got thing. Oh, fuck off. Oh, come on. Chapter, you got thing. No, man. Why am I over there now? What? You button. Long stream. Commit those. Ugh, come on, I didn't add those changes. Okay. I'm gonna call it there. I am tired as fuck. Let me see how much viewers do I actually have. Two, yeah, I actually have two viewers. Do I wanna raid out? Who's playing balatro? Balatro. I wanna see, is there someone smaller playing balatro? Yeah, I'm not gonna rate out too few viewers. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here tonight. Probably gonna stream tomorrow night again. Not sure if it's gonna be coding, might be some actual games. But yeah, thank you all for showing up. Yeah, bye bye.